Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Have you ever wondered what makes a serum truly effective in tackling aging signs like wrinkles, dark spots, and dryness? Today, we're diving into the L'Oréal Paris Anti-Aging Face Serums Kit. This set features two key players, the Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum and the Pure Glycolic Acid Serum. These serums promise smoother, plumper, and more youthful skin. Let's break down whether they live up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the star of the show, the Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This serum boasts 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, combining both high and low molecular weight HA. Why does that matter? Well, hyaluronic acid is a powerhouse ingredient that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it a top choice for hydration. The formula targets multi-depth hydration, leaving skin feeling instantly plumped. It's perfect for anyone looking to quench dry skin and combat the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I've used this serum consistently, and here's what I've noticed. The texture is lightweight and silky, which makes it easy to incorporate into your routine. I applied it morning and night, and my skin immediately felt more hydrated and smoother to the touch. Over time, I noticed that my skin looked more radiant, and fine lines around my eyes started to look less pronounced. It's been a game changer for skin that's feeling parched or dull. I didn't notice any irritation, so I'd say it's pretty gentle, even for sensitive skin types. On the other hand, the Pure Glycolic Acid Serum is the powerhouse for tackling dark spots and surface wrinkles. Glycolic acid and AHA works to gently exfoliate the skin by dissolving dead skin cells. In just 2 weeks, L'Oréal claims that this serum can visibly reduce dark spots, leaving behind an even complexion. And after using it daily, I can confirm that my skin looks brighter and those pesky dark spots have faded a little. The formula is lightweight, and while glycolic acid can sometimes be harsh on sensitive skin, this one is formulated for daily use with a concentration that's gentle enough for regular application. Let's talk about the pros. The hydration from the hyaluronic acid serum is phenomenal. My skin feels like it's drinking in the moisture, and the result is a more youthful, plumped appearance. The glycolic acid serum is also great for brightening and exfoliating without causing any irritation, important if you're looking for something gentle but effective. Both serums are lightweight and sink into the skin quickly, which is a huge plus for layering with other products. But there are cons to consider. First, while these products work well individually, if you have very sensitive skin, the combination of both might be a bit much, especially if you're not used to glycolic acid. It's important to start slow and see how your skin reacts. Also, while the results are visible, they're not as dramatic as more potent alternatives. If you're looking for a serum with a quicker, more noticeable transformation, these might not be the strongest contenders in terms of anti-aging. In terms of value for money, the L'Oréal Paris Anti-Aging Face Serums Kit is priced reasonably for what you get. When you consider the effective ingredients, pure hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid, this kit offers a solid bang for your buck. The quality of the ingredients and the performance, especially for daily use, justifies the price point in my opinion. Alternatives? There are other products that offer similar ingredients at a similar price, but if you're after reliable hydration and gentle exfoliation, this set is a good choice. Brands like The Ordinary or CeraVe also offer great alternatives, but they may not have the same combination of hydrating and resurfacing ingredients in one kit. Now let's talk about build quality and longevity. The packaging is simple but effective, a sleek, transparent bottle that lets you see how much product you have left. Each bottle has a dropper, which is ideal for dispensing the right amount without wasting any. Both serums are designed to last a while, especially if you're using just a few drops twice a day. The shelf life seems solid, and there's no noticeable change in texture or efficacy over time. In terms of customer support, I've had good experiences with L'Oréal in the past, though I haven't had to reach out for this specific product. The brand is known for reliable customer service, so if you ever have any issues with your purchase, I'm confident they'll handle it quickly. Finally, let's wrap this up with a final verdict. The L'Oréal Paris Anti-Aging Face Serums Kit offers great value for those looking to hydrate and brighten their skin with well-known active ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, affordable anti-aging duo to add to their routine. However, if you're looking for drastic results in a short amount of time, you may need to look at more potent options. Overall, I would recommend this to anyone looking for gentle but effective hydration and mild exfoliation, especially if you're new to active ingredients in skincare. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in, and if you've tried these serums, drop a comment below. Let's chat about your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.